My buddy Rudy, remember that rack we built for the top of his truck to put his UTV on? Well, he let it sit out in the rain, and that thing is rusted bad. Well, he's done some modifying, and he's pretty much done with the rack. It's time to throw some paint on there, and he's getting ready to go. He wants to go to Glamis this weekend. So we showed up with the sandblast rig, and we're gonna get this thing blasted. Stick around. I'll show you how nice that. We're gonna make that rack great again. And he's got another little piece. We're gonna bring that out in a minute. So let's get to blasting. Proper gear on. We got shorts because you have to sand, but if you're playing with sand, you gotta wear shorts. All right, let's get to rocking. Cue up some music or something. What do you guys like? Rock? Rap? Now you don't like rap. How about some rock and roll? Cue the rock and roll.
You're the battery that keeps me awake. Reload under your control before I break. Killing frustration, have to do it all to survive the nightfall. When you fight against the time and you're about to lose your mind.
Alright, we're almost done with one bag of sand. Let's keep going.
Let's get fucking done. Let's go. When you look death in the eye, either you live or you die. You live or you die.
Alright, there's one bag of sand. Let's take a look. See this? This is what happens when the sandblaster shows up. Everybody starts dragging out everything because they want it sandblasted. Because it's like magic.
It's beautiful.
Look at that. Hey, we got to cover that, dude. You got some rags? Like a big towel?
Not a problem.
Go get some towels and cover that up because it's just gonna... I'm killing it when I'm blasting up here.
Okay.
All right, we got this doohickey. We got to hit this. Everybody sees the sandblaster working, they go, oh man, that's saving me time. This is a little headache rack, and this rack sits on top, so that's next on the list. You should have taken the hose and hosed this down because this ground is so dusty. But let's take a look. Let's see what we got. Let's turn the sand pot off first. Got to release the pressure. Cork will fall down, watch. Look at that. It's actually a Harbor Freight sand pot that I did some modifications to. Made it real nice. I've actually made $1 million over all the years sandblasting with that little sand pot right there.
Here we go.
Okay, that'll work somewhat.
That's welding blanket.
I got some tape we'll wrap around there. All right, let's see how we're going. Look at that. Looking good, huh? That was pretty rusty, dude.
Oh, it was.
It's a little dusty on the ground. If we had a hose, we could hose it down, but it don't matter out here.
It's gonna rain here.
It's all going that way. It's all gonna rain tonight. We got around here on this side, and we ran out of sand right here. So let's throw in some sand and keep going. Yeah, that's getting hit a little bit. It won't get hurt. It's all sealed. You're gonna paint it anyways, dude.
It's gonna get painted.
You're not the tape it off kind of guy, are you?
Nope.
Nope. Blow and go, boys. Don't worry about that. That's extra welding wire in case we need it later. Hey, there's Rudy again. Do you start that YouTube channel yet? Coming soon. All right, we got most of it, but we got to get underneath there. And I'm not short enough to blast under there. I'm gonna have to hire a shorter guy, even though I'm really short. But anyways, I'm gonna climb up on top and hit the top, and then we'll be all done and we're gonna flip her over. All right, it's a little windy. You guys are gonna wobble a little bit. I'll get what I can. Cue that music back up. Sandblasting is really annoying. You don't want to hear that.
Sit back, enjoy the ride. We're on our way. One track, no turning back. Forget yesterday. Unknown destination, aiming for the sky so high.
All right, we got about everything we could see on top. Got a little spot there I missed. That's all right. We'll get that when we flip it over. But there's our first run around. Looking pretty good. See underneath there how rusty that is? You gotta flip it over. Believe it or not, there's a lot more on the bottom. Looks pretty nice. Looking great again. I wasn't kidding, was I? All right, this mesh is really hard to hit because it just little thin pieces and the sand just goes right through it. So, but we'll dust over it. It don't have to be perfect. Rudy's not the perfect kind of guy. He's a perfect guy for me to work for. But if this was a customer, I'd get it perfectly done. Look at, we got a little piece on the backside here. Look at that, right there. A little rusty still. Oh, this angle. And that little bar right there. All right, we gotta hit those and then we're gonna flip this thing over. Bring you guys out here a little closer for this. Look at that view out there. Wonderful. That way you get a little better shot of what I'm doing. It won't be so bad here for you guys. It won't be quite as dusty on this route. I'm gonna throw you guys in the truck because I gotta shoot this way and I don't want to kill my camera. And I gotta throw some more sand in. We're gonna flip it over the other way. We've already seen how it's done. So next time I see you, that rack will be finished. All right, like I told you, it'd be done. There it is, but that's the side that was on the ground, so we gotta clean that up. That's just dust. But look at this. He had some water inside there, poured out when he flipped it over. So, but anyways, there's the rack. She's all complete. Nice and clean. Little bit of rust left on those mesh things because, once again, Rudy's in a big old hurry. He's always doing stuff at the last minute around here. Look at him. He's strapping into the Pro R there. Go get some thinner. He's gonna paint this thing right now. He's always in a hurry. Always doing this stuff 2 days before he goes to Glamis. Guy's crazy. We built this rack the day before he left for Glamis. Go down on my channel. Check out the video. Here he comes. There they go. Yeah, this is a good time. Go down to my channel. Check out the video when we were building this. Hey, if you like the content, go down, hit the subscribe. Make sure you like my content though, because you don't want to subscribe to a channel, you know, that you don't want to watch. So, but I would love to have you as a subscriber. I really appreciate it. And if you just like this video, give me a thumbs up. That'll give me a little bonus points with the old YouTube ski, and helps me out a lot. So I appreciate that. But there you go. There's this piece. I'm not going to show you me sandblasting this. You already saw how boring sandblasting was. I'm probably yelling because I got these earplugs in and I got them shoved all the way in till my brain shorts out. Then I can't hear anything. So let's get this thing done. Get you guys back in the truck where it's warm. And I'm going to clean that off for him, and then we're done with that puppy. There it is. All finished up. Another last minute project by Rudy. Every project he does is last minute. He's leaving for Glamis tomorrow, just like last time when we built the rack.
Paint it first.
No, yeah, he's got to paint it. So we got one more day he can paint. Look at that. Looks beautiful. Pretty nice finish. Just going to blow it off with a little air. Get all this dust. Man, the dustiest part was all this black crushed asphalt he has. So there it is, guys. All right. Get it inside and get some paint on it. All right, that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. That was fun. That was a last minute deal, like I said. I've been working all day, and then Rudy called me. He wanted this done, so I jammed over his house. We got her done. Now you know why my name is Sandblast Extreme, because it is extreme, and I do sandblasting. That's what I do for a living. I sandblast things. And I got a little YouTube channel named Sandblast Extreme RV. RV stands for recreational vehicles, or could be recreational version, who knows. But it was designed that way because I'm already branded as Sandblast Extreme. So I just wanted to have another channel. I have a sandblasting channel, so if you go snoop around on the internet, you can find me sandblasting. Normally Christine's here with me working, but she's not here this time. So we got this thing done. This thing was a monster. It's gonna look really bitchin' on his truck. I hope to get some pictures of it when he's done. I'll let you guys know. But that's it, and we'll see you guys on the next video. That's right, we used every bit of sand too. Got 5 bags of sand, and that took all 5. I think we have 1 left in the pot. Oh yeah. And you want to know what it would do to your skin if I sandblasted you? Look at that. Pretty gnarly, huh? It would just rip you open just like that. Rudy's got to get this thing inside. Got that trailer out of the way. We're out of here. It's getting cold.